Hi guys, today I have a video that's a little bit different. It is going to be an unboxing and a review of fake plants by Thermaleaf. What it makes this different is that Thermaleaf creates plants that are coated with fire retardant agents and chemicals. And they sent me this product for me to give you my honest review, and I'm going to open the package right now. I might fast forward this because I don't really need me seeing open and struggling to open this box. And you can find all Thermaleaf's products at their website. And obviously they are safe to use at home. Thermaleaf products are not only safe to use at home, but they also sell wholesale for commercial spaces. And I really like fake plants because being a military wife, I move a lot, and being able to transport real plants is really difficult. The bigger they get, the harder it gets, and especially if you have to contract a third party to do the move, sometimes they don't want to ship anything that's living, and I find myself having to leave behind my plants, especially since the Army has been sending us to overseas areas, so it's even harder to guarantee that the plants are going to be safe. And sometimes they have to be, your possessions have to be in storage for a very long time, which makes all these companies not wanting to ship things like plants that will die because they will be in storage and nobody will be taking care of them, and then you will find a claim with them, which obviously is not good for them, so they just refuse to send it. And that is why even though I love real plants, I found a new love for fake plants that at least is gonna allow me to have some sort of plants in my home. So let's just keep opening this. And obviously with the fire retardant, I even like them more because there's always a possibility of accidents happening at home. And I always bought my Christmas trees with fire retardant, but this is the first time that I see other plants that are not Christmas trees with fire retardant. They might have been in the market for longer, but this is the first time I've had them. First, I like to say that they're very safely packaged. They put a box with a smaller plant and then another one with the bubble wrap, so it was really secure. And this came all the way to Alaska, and usually it takes longer, it has to travel a lot, but so far it looks like it made it. And let's keep opening until we can actually get to the product. Which is another thing, I'm surprised because so many companies don't even ship to Alaska, and because they can get damaged, they can get lost, it's a lot of trouble, but this one does. Okay, so they have another secure measure here that is holding the plant to the bottom. It's a little harder to open, but everything to be safe. And here it is. This is the topiary I chose. It is in form of a cone. I thought it was going to be really cute, and that because it's a cone, it will let me and so tall as well, it will allow me to decorate it for different seasons. Like summer, I'll probably leave it like that, but it will be really nice if I find some of those fairy lights for Halloween, for fall, and obviously Christmas. It already has, it's not exactly a Christmas tree, but it has that shape. And maybe for spring I can put fake flowers over it. So it's giving me a lot of options with just one item. And again, because I move a lot, I try to not to have so much stuff that I have to carry around, because I don't want to get rid of things, and I don't want to lose things too because maybe they get damaged in the move, or there's no space because we have a limited space, limited weight that the army will actually check our stuff. So the quality is really great. I will zoom you in a little bit and show you footage of a close-up, but the pot is really nice. It looks really cute, and even the fake dirt, it looks really real. I will make you close in. From very close you can see that it's a fake plant, but from far away it won't really look like it. It has a lot of it. You cannot even see the middle, so it's really great. It's really pretty. And again, now I'm going to give you a close-up of everything. As you can see, it's really tall. It comes to here, and it's not that tall, that big that it won't fit on a table. As you can see, it's like this big, so you can either place it on the table or in the floor. It's not so little that it won't look in the floor either.